Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. Guys, today I'm going to cover one very small, very demanding topic that how to read PDF files, right? Because Selenium does not provide any API to automate PDFs. So you have to use some Java library and you can do it with your Selenium integration and easily you can make it. So let's see how to do that. So guys, we have one very famous library. I just found this library. That library name is Apache PDFBox. It's a simple Java PDF library. It's open source Java library which is used to parse the PDF documents, and it can read the PDF documents and it can convert into a simple text or a string. And from that text, uh, exactly what exactly it is doing, it is having the ability to extract the content from the documents, and simple with the help of Selenium and TestNG you can validate it. So how to do that? So they provide some you just need to write Apache PDF box Maven dependency. You just need to add, so just go to Google and simple write Maven for that. And let's see that Apache Maven, the latest version I think for PDF box 2.0.12. So we will add this particular dependency in our Maven project and then we will simple write the code. So let's do it quickly. So I'll create one simple Maven project quickly and then we will start writing the code. So this is my Maven project. I'll select next, next, click on next. Let's see, my project name is simple. Let's see, PDF read or PDF reader. Okay, I'm giving the same group ID and artifact ID. It's up to you guys. If you want to give anything, you can give anything over there. So you will see that PDF reader got created over here, and then I'll go to my pom.xml file, and from this pom.xml, I'll remove this JUnit library. I don't need that, and I'll add this particular dependency over here, and simple Control S. The moment you save it, you will see that okay, Maven dependencies got added over here. And sometime you will see this red cross error, so simple right click on it and go to Maven and update the project. And one error is there that just delete this package. We don't need this package because inside package one class is written having the JUnit method. So just simple delete these packages. We will create our own simple package or class directly. Apart from that, we will add Selenium jar file as well, Selenium WebDriver dependency also. So quickly I'll get Selenium WebDriver dependency from here, Selenium Maven, let's see. And quickly I'll go to Selenium Maven dependency, Selenium Java dependency, and 3.1.40. This is so many times I have covered this, how to add dependencies and all. So I'm just not wasting my time on Selenium dependency that we have added, and PDF box dependency also we have added, guys. Right now, what I'll do that I'll go to my src main Java, or maybe directly I'll write a test case in src test Java, and I'll create a test class over here. Let's see, my class name is PDF reader test. Okay, click on finish, and then we will directly create a test class over here. And let's see, my one test case I'll create directly, and my test case name is, let's see, public void read PDF test. Whatever the method name you want to give, guys, you can give. And this particular at the rate test, okay, add the testng library first, and then I'll import it. So simple import from testng annotation. Fine. So I have added my Selenium libraries as well as PDF. This particular PDF box library also I have added. This is a free Java API available to parse and to read the content from PDF. Okay, so now let's do it. So first, what we have to do that two things we will do. First, we will download a PDF file, and right, sometime we have to download the PDF file and then okay, or there are some other ways that okay, we can directly just click on a link and one link will be displayed, and that page is having the PDF itself. So I'll give you an example. Let's see, I have this particular example that this example, can you see that? And if you observe the URL is at the end, it's written .pdf, right? So some site is there that betterteam.com and having this particular information over there, and this particular PDF is available, is hosted directly on the web page, directly on this particular web application or website. So what we have to do, that my task is to read this particular PDF file. Let's see, some PDF form is there or something like this. Some example, you can see that this is also a download PDF file or something like this. Some PDF is written, or any ebook is there, Java ebook is there or something like this, right? So you can see that all these URLs are having at the end .pdf is there. So how to read such files? How to read such PDF documents, which is already available on the web page? So let's see, I'll try to read this. So we will parse it with the help of this API and we will try to read the things from there. So let's see how to do that. So first thing guys, you need to create one class is there, URL class is there. You need to create the object of URL class. So let's say I'm creating URL is equal to new URL. Okay, this URL class is already available in Java, so just import it from java.net package. Okay, after that what we have to do, that inside the URL object here, what we have to pass, that what exactly the URL you want to interact with. So this is my URL, I want to interact with this particular URL, and simple copy paste over here. Fine. And see, capital URL, we have to write it like this, and then it will give you that simple add throws declaration. Maybe URL is not correct, or maybe URL format is not correct, then it will call you, it will tell you that malformed URL exception or something like this. Now we have one more class guys, input stream class. Okay, so this is the step that guys you have to remember. Let's say input stream class is is equal to, what we have to do, instead of this you have one class is there that is called, not class, this is a reference, that URL dot one method is there, actually open stream method is there. Can you see that open stream method is there? Fine. So what exactly it will do, that it will open the stream with this particular PDF which is hosted on this particular site, and this input stream is you have to import from java.io package, right? And after that again it will give you one add throws declaration suggestion, so just simple add throws declaration, that is fine. After that we have one more class guys that you have to use, that is called buffered input stream. Buffered input stream class, you need to create the object of buffered input stream. So let's see, my object name is file parse, okay, is equal to new buffered input stream. Okay, and here we have to pass this particular is, that is input stream class object reference, we have to pass over here. Fine. So we have created one buffered input stream class also. After that what we have to do, that guys, that one class is there that is coming from PDFBox. Okay, the class name is PD document class. Just remember this class name, PD document is there. And let's see, my object name, I'm creating something, document is equal to null, I'm declaring with null, and this PD document we have to import from there. Let's see, right? So that I have imported. After that what we have to do, that we have to initialize this document. Right now it is null, so we have to initialize like this, is equal to, okay, document is equal to, we have this particular class and one method is there, the method name is load method is there. We have to load what, we have to load this buffered input stream class reference, we have to pass like this. Fine. After that loading, what we have to do guys, we have to, okay, it's time, we have one more method, that method is called, or we will create one more object of this particular class like this, new PDF text stripper. Okay, new PDF text stripper class is there. I mean, like this, and dot one method is there, guys. Dot get text method is there. So don't worry, no need to remember these methods, guys. This is just a simple steps are available, and after that you just need to pass this particular PD document, okay, reference over there. And this get text method, what exactly it will return? It will return a string. Okay, so it will return a string, and let's see, I'll store inside a string. Let's see, string PDF content is equal to like this. After that, what I have to do, that I'll print whatever the content. So what exactly it will do, that PDF text stripper, it will get the text from there, and then it will take the print. So this line is actually the main crux, that at first it will load, okay, with the help of this particular file parse. That is, file parse is the buffer input stream class reference. And in buffer input stream class object, we are passing this is is input stream class, and is associated with url.openStream method. So ultimately input stream is having this particular PDF. This object we are passing to buffered input stream. Buffered input stream will try to, okay, read this particular PDF, okay, and then we have this file parse, and then we will load it with the help of PD document. PD document, why? Because this is PDF document. So we have to load it, and we will pass it over here. And then from this particular, we have one class is there, that is PDF text stripper. We will create the object, and dot get text method is there, and we'll pass this particular document over here, and then it will return this PDF content over here. After that, whatever the content is there, we will print on the console, that this PDF, okay, content we will print on the console. And let's see, right now this is the PDF, guys, right? I can show you, this is the PDF, and now the entire text is written on this particular PDF. It will be printed on the console. That's it. So I'm telling you, no need to remember this code, guys. Nobody will ask you at a time of interview. This is not for interview point of view. You can take this particular code, and you can write your own utility, your own method, and you can call this method, okay, to read the PDF files or to parse the PDF files. So let's see it is working or not. So let's run it. Simple right click on it and run as testng, and we will see the console output. See, it's very fast, and you can see the console output is complete text is coming over here. My first text is showing that employee information form downloaded from beta team. So you can see that, let's see, you can see that employee information, something is written over here, and complete information is printing over here. And you can see the console output once again. You can see company name, employee information, personal information, full name, all these things are coming. So you can match actually company name. See, the first tag is this company name, then employee information, then personal information, right? And then after that we have full name. Full name is there like this. Then last name and first name, and mi is, I don't know what is mi. Yes, it's there, right? You can check full name, last name, first name, mi. Full name, last name, first name, mi. So line by line, what exactly it will parse it, it will read it, and it will try to print them on the console. And with proper, can you see that proper alignment also, guys? Full name is coming like this, and after full name there is a gap, right? Can you see this gap? And then last is coming like this. So complete format also it will print. After that we have address, and then we have address like this. Then we have city and state, and all those things are coming over here. So this parsing is very fast because this PDF is very small, only 2 pages, hardly 1 or 2 pages are there. But let's see, if you have 100 or 1,000 pages are there in a PDF, it will take some time, but it will parse it. I have already tested it. I'll show you also. But before that, now what we have to do, we have to validate. Now how will you validate in testng? Simple, that now this is the output I'm getting, PDF content, and I'll simple write one assertion over here, that assert equals assert equals, or I would say not assert equals, I'll write assert true. Actually, I'll write assert true, and boolean condition is this PDF content dot contains, it contains what? Let's see, it contains, let's see, company name. Okay, this is the first assertion I'm writing. Company name, I'll write one more assertion. Whatever the text you want to assert now, it should have this employee information. So let's see, employee information I'll assert, and then we will assert, let's see, one more thing. So whatever the assertion you want to do, let's see, now I want to do that. Let's see, it should have address also, address. Let's see, it should have address. So whatever the text you want to, important thing you want to assert, you will assert. So three assertions I have written, and let's see it is working or not. So let's run it, and fine, you can see that. Okay, absolutely it is working fine. Fine. Okay, perfect. Now you can use this particular URL directly with the driver dot get. Also you can use this particular URL directly over there. So that is up to you guys. Okay, so how to use this Selenium? So in Selenium, if you want to use, so I'll do one thing that what I have to do, that I launch my WebDriver first. So with Google Chrome. So with Google Chrome, I'll show you quickly. Let me take this, not hot step, sorry. We will take this, okay, and we will launch our Google Chrome. We have already set up this Chrome driver.exe file, which is available in my downloads folder. And how to do that now? See, driver dot get method is there, and inside this get we will pass this particular URL. Okay, this is the URL. It will go to this particular URL, and after that what I have to do, that the moment I go to the URL, I'll do one thing, that driver dot get current URL I'll use. In this driver dot get current URL, it will give you the string current URL is equal to this, and I'll print it on the console, that current URL, and then I'll pass this current URL over here actually, right? Because ultimately we have to integrate with Selenium, so you can do it like this. Now if you run it, so current URL we will be getting this particular current URL, and then simple get current URL will give you the actual URL, and then actual URL we are passing inside the URL class constructor over here. And let's run it again, and let's see it is working or not with Selenium. So you can see with Selenium it is launching this PDF, and perfectly fine, right? It is launching this PDF and it is absolutely working fine. My test case got passed, and all three assertions got passed. Okay guys, so this is also working fine. Now let's see, sometimes what happens that you have downloaded this particular PDF. So what I'll do, that I have already downloaded, let's see, this employee information, something like this. You open it and you will see this particular PDF. So sometimes what happens that, okay, we have to read the PDF from my, okay, from a specific file location, or from C drive or D drive, some PDFs are there and you have to validate from there. So how will you do that? So I'll do one thing, let me close it. I'll do one thing, that I'll simple right click on it, and simple right click on it and open with some browser. Let's see, browser is Google Chrome. So you will see that, okay, it's opening with browser. It's not hosted on any particular site, it's coming from like this file, and the path, the user Naveen downloads, and this particular PDF is available over here. So simple copy this. Now this will behave as a URL. So what I'll do, that I'll simple go to my Eclipse, and I can write this driver.get directly over here. Okay, like this. So if you really want to, you just simple need to write whatever the file path over there, file location is there, you just need to write it over here like this, or or directly from the website also you can directly like this. So I'll do one thing, let me comment this line. So this is the directly from the site, and if you want to use directly from the like this also, you can use it from the specific file location also, you can pass. And then if you run it, let's see. So if you run it, see, browser is getting launched, and then you can do it. So I'll do one thing, that better I'll comment this line as well, and this line as well. I'll do one thing that this is my URL, right? Directly I'll pass the URL, because in that case we don't need to launch the Google Chrome. So you can comment this Google Chrome code because we are directly from the file. So I'll simple pass the URL directly from here. This is my file location path over here, right? So if you really want to read the PDF directly from your file location in your laptop, you can pass the location like this directly from there. So how will you get this location? I have already explained. Simple right click on your file, open with any browser, either it is Chrome or Safari or Firefox or whatever. And then if you run it, then you will see that without opening the browser, it is actually reading the PDF, and then all the assertions are getting passed and PDF is getting passed and the content is coming over here, right? So this is also, you can do that. Now let's try with some other URLs. So I have some couple of URLs. Let's say this is also PDF. So I'll take, see, it will work only if .pdf is there, guys. Then only it will work. So make sure .pdf in the URL, it should be available. So let's try and let's see. So let's see, I'll take this particular URL now, and I'll do one thing that now we will assert only this particular text. Okay, so let me comment other assertions, unnecessary it will be failed, and let me assert only this particular thing. Thank you for using the download PDF file feature, and let's see it is running or not. It is working or not. Let's see. So see, it's a little big PDF, and you can see that complete text you can match one by one. See, can you see that? Thank you for using the download PDF file feature, and complete text is getting passed and printed over here. And then you can write the assertion, whatever the assertion that you are writing, to just to match that particular text, right? That thank you for using the PDF download or something like this. Now, quickly I'll tell you that if you have huge PDF, let's say I'll show you one. See, this is one Java ebook is there, around it's 4.3 MB. As a PDF document, 4.3 MB, let's see, it's a quite huge PDF. You can see there are so many pages are there, right? Can you see that? There are so many pages are there, around 135 pages are there. So if you want to parse this also, you can do that. So how to do? Same thing. I'll do one thing simple, right click on it and open with, let's see, Google Chrome, and then I'll take this PDF file location, and then I'll go to my Eclipse, and then let's see it is able to parse it or not. And I'll comment this assertion. I don't want to assert anything as of now. So I just want to see that it's parsing this 135 page PDF or not. So let's run it and let's see. So now you will observe, guys, that it takes some time. See, all these informations are coming and it takes a little time, but can you see that complete one, all the 135 pages got parsed over here, right? Isn't it amazing? Okay, so guys, this will 100% it will work like that. Okay, guys, but sometimes what happens, let's see you have one rent agreement, or let's see your passport copy, right? If you have passport copy and you are trying to scan it, okay, from some scanner or some Xerox machine, and then if you're generating one PDF file over there, then it will not, because that's an image now, then it will not try to parse. It will not convert that, whatever your passport number or all those things, it will not be printed, or whatever, let's see, some rental agreement you have, you just scan it from your Xerox machine and convert that into PDF. Then in that case it will not work. Okay, guys, so I think let me check if I have that particular PDF, such kind of PDF. Just a minute. Okay, so guys, I'll show you one. Let's see, I have this particular image. So this image, I'll open it. This is a cancelled check. Maybe this is my personal checkbook, and this is a cancelled check, right? So what I'll do that this is a simple image. So from this image, these texts are available. Can you see that? ICICI Bank or Pune Bhandarkar Road branch or whatever the text is written, my name is also written over here. So it will not fetch this particular text because this is an image. Although it's a PDF, but this is not the text. This is an image. So from this image, it will not take it. So let's see it is working or not. So I'll do one thing, right click on it, go to open with Google Chrome, and then I'll take this particular URL, and then I'll go to my Eclipse and then paste it over here. Okay, this is the URL. Now I'll try to run it, and you will see on the console it will not print anything. It will not parse anything. So you can see on the console it does not, although your test case is passed because you are not validating anything, but you can see there is no content. So it will parse only those PDFs where the actual content is available, not the image content. So actual text content is available, then only it will work, guys. Okay. So this is very simple API, guys. Only few lines you just need to add, pass the URL or in the form of file URL, and then you are good to go. Cool. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So my channel name is, you all know that, okay, Naveen Automation Labs, and let me know if you have any issues with that. Thank you so much, guys. That's my channel name, Naveen Automation Labs. Please subscribe to the channel. We are very close to 37,000, and very soon we will be covering 40,000. So it will be the top ranking channel in automation, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support.